everyone, my name is Joshua and today we're going to learn how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's not waste any time and get started.
So the first thing we do is find the white center. Now put on the top. Then we need to make the white cross. So how to make the white cross? You need to find an edge piece with white in it. So this one counts. So we need to find the blue centerpiece because it's blue. So we move it to the blue side. Now we connect it. So got a part of it. Now we need to find the red edge piece. There we go. So now let's connect it. But this needs to be switched. So how to do it? First, move the top layer with your left hand. And then move down with your right hand. Then move the top layer with your right hand. And then move the front layer with the left hand. So you got it. So we have to learn an algorithm that will help you throughout solving this cube. So I'll show you the algorithm. So we're doing the right side of the algorithm. So the thumb will be in the middle, and your right thumb will be in the bottom and fingers on the top. So how you do it? Move the right up. Turn the top layer with your right hand. Right side down. Move the top layer with your left hand. So continue that movement until you're a bit fast. Now you have to do the left side. So how to do the left side is do the exact same but in your left hand. So right thumb in the middle and left thumb in the bottom and fingers on top. So left side up. Turn the top up. Right side, right. Left side down. Turn the top with your right hand. Now you have to continue it until you're a bit fast. So next step is we need the white layer. That means all these colors should match with the white centerpiece. So how to do it is find a corner that matches any three centerpieces with white. For example, like white, blue, and orange. So I found a corner piece like this one. So now we need to do the 4 sets of moves we did. So turn the right up. Turn the top layer with your right hand. Right side down. Turn the top layer with your left hand. So right now it's still not solved. So we have to do it a couple more times. And now it's solved. Now I found this corner that matches with this red color and the blue color. So now we have to do it once more. So turn the right layer once, and turn the top layer with your right hand, right side down. Turn the top layer with your left hand. So do it until this corner gets solved. So we got it solved. Now we need to solve this corner. So do those 4 sets of moves. And now it's solved. The third step is make the second layer, which means this middle side. So how to do it is find any piece that doesn't have yellow in it. So this one has yellow, this one does not have yellow. So we need this. Now this one has orange in it. So here it's in the red centerpiece. So this doesn't match. Now we move it. It's green, orange, doesn't match. Now orange, it matches. So we need to insert this edge to here. We need to do 3 steps. First step, we need to move it away. So to not connect here, to not connect the orange, to not move it, don't move it to the other side, move it away. Then we need to uninsert this corner. So that means you have to do the 4 sets of move. And then we need to insert it back, but with the other hand. So I did it with my left hand, so now I have to do it with my right hand. So when you put it in the other hand, we have to do it with the 4 sets of move we learned. So now it's inserted. And do it so on. In some cases, the edge is flipped, so now we need to flip it. Because this is not solved, so this doesn't mean that the second layer is done. So how do you solve this? So to solve it is we have to insert it with another edge piece and then solve it. So that means do the 4 sets of moves. Now insert it with another corner like this one. Now it's out. Now we insert it with another. Now we have to insert it with this edge. So first we move it away, then do those 4 sets of moves, and now insert this corner with your other hand. And there you go. It's all. The second layer is done. So the next step is make the yellow cross. That is, for me right now I just got a yellow dot, or you will have a yellow cross naturally, which is great. So how to make a yellow cross, if you ask? So move the front layer. So any color you can choose. I choose red. Now you remove the front layer with your right hand. And then do the 4 set of moves. That is, turn the right side with your right hand and turn the top layer with your right hand and right side down. Turn the top layer with your left hand and that's it. Now you need to undo or restore the second layer. And now if you ask where is the cross, it's not here because we just got another segment, that is we got a hook or this L. Ignore these 4 corners and you will see it's like an L piece. So what you do is put it in the left corner. Now do it again, what I showed you how to do when we only got a dot. So turn the right side with your left hand, with your right hand, sorry. Then do those 4 sets of moves. Turn the right side with your right hand and turn the top layer with your right hand, right side down. Turn the top layer with your left hand. Now undo it. Now we got a straight line, so we didn't get it. So do it again. So now we got a cross. The next step is make all of these edges, this orange, green, blue and red, in the right spot. So I can only make the red and blue the right spot. So what is this? So it's another algorithm, and for this step only, is the placement should be, if the red and blue is right, the red side will be the red side should be the opposite where you're doing, and the blue side should be in the right side. The blue side should be right. So this is how the step goes. Turn the right side up. Turn the top layer with your right hand and right side down. And turn the top layer. Now we need these 2 pieces to go here. So turn the top layer with your right hand. Now you just undo those moves. Now you just need these 2 pieces back here. So we'll bring the top right side up. Now we move this. move these two pieces back here. Now down. So now if you do it right, you'll get all these edges in the right spot. The next step is make all these corners in the right spot. So this is not in the right spot, this is not in the right spot, this is also not in the right spot, this is in the right spot. So you can either skip this step because either your cube is solved, which is great. So this algorithm, this is another algorithm for this step only. So how to do it is move the right side up, turn the top layer with your left hand, left side up, turn the top layer with your left hand, left side down, turn the top layer with your left hand, left side down, left side down. So now all these sides are correct for me, but sometimes it'll either take for you either you need to repeat this step 2 times because sometimes it won't come, but you just need to repeat it 2 times. So then all these corners will be in the right spot. Next step is flipping all these corners to the right spot. So the first thing is we need to flip the cube. Then we need to find a corner that is not flipped in the right area. So this is not flipped in the right area. So how to do it is do those 4 sets of moves that we learned in the starting itself. So it's solved. Now we need to move it to the next one. So either you will have more than 2 or either more than 1, or you'll either have more than 1, more than 2 corners flipped. So it's my last one. And now your cube is solved.
So that's it. Hope you all found it helpful. It's very simple and please try it. Thank you.